Hi students, welcome to 4th standard computer science online class. I hope all of you learned the first lesson. The lesson name is computer hardware devices. Now we are discuss the first lesson book exercise. Dear students, all of you take your book page number 9 and take a pencil also. Okay, first section multiple choice questions. The first one, dash is used to record sound into the computer. Option A, telephone. Option B, microphone. Option C, scanner. The answer is option B, microphone. Second one, dash looks like an upside down mouse. Option A, volleyball. Option B, basketball. Option C, trackball. The answer is C, trackball. Third one, dash is not a pointing device. Option A, mouse. Option B, monitor. Option C, light pen. The answer is option B, monitor. Fourth one, dash is a sequence of lines on white background. Option A, printer. Option B, barcode. Option C, scanner. Answer is option B, barcode. Fifth one, which of the following storage devices is plugged into the USB port of the computer? Option A, hard disk. Option B, compact disk. Option C, pen drive. The answer is option C, pen drive. The next section, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is used to play games on a computer. Answer is joystick. Second one, dash is commonly used in laptops. Answer is touchpad. Third one, dash is used to read and scan the text. Answer is scanner. Fourth one, dash is a pen-shaped pointing device. Answer is light pen. Fifth one, dash is the brain of a computer. Answer is CPU. Once again I tell the answer. First one, joystick. Second one, touchpad. Third one, scanner. Fourth one, light pen. And fifth one, CPU. Section C is true or false. First one, ALU stand for arithmetic and long unit. Say true or false. Answer is false, because the ALU stand for arithmetic and logic unit, not long unit. Okay. Second one, speakers are used to hear the sound. Answer is true. Okay. Third one, barcode readers are used in supermarkets. Answer is true. Fourth one, scanner is an output device. Answer is false, because scanner is an input device. Fifth one, light pen is a pen-shaped device. Answer false, because light pen is a pen-shaped pointing device. Section D, match the following. First one, scanner. Answer is D. Second one, touch screen. Answer E. Third one, trackball. Answer is A. Fourth one, barcode reader. Answer is B. Fifth one, speakers. Answer is C. Once again say the answer. First one D. Second one E. Third one A. Fourth one B. And fifth one C. All of you complete the book exercise? Okay. The next section, question answer. The first question, write the names of any two input devices, output devices and storage devices. Okay. First, input devices. Answer, keyboard, mouse. B, output devices. Answer, monitor, speakers. C, storage devices. Answer, CD, pen drive. Second question, write down the names of different parts of CPU. Answer, ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. CU, control unit. MU, memory unit. Third question, name any two types of monitors used nowadays. Answer, LCD and plasma monitor. Fourth question, what is a scanner? Also name the two types of scanner. Answer, scanner is an input device which reads and scans the text and pictures given on a paper into the computer understandable text and pictures. There are two types of scanners. First, flatbed scanner. Second, handheld scanner. Fifth question, what is a light pen? Answer, light pen is a pen-shaped pointing device. It is used to draw pictures on the screen. Light pens are mostly used by engineers and designers. The next section, application-based questions. First one, Rakesh has recently bought a laptop. He previously worked on a desktop computer. In the laptop, he cannot locate the mouse. Help Rakesh find the replacement for the mouse in the laptop. Answer, touchpad is the replacement of the mouse in the laptop. Second question, Tarun wants to record his own voice in the computer and find out how good his singing voice is. He does not know which device will let him to record his voice. How can you help Tarun? Answer, microphone will help Tarun to record his voice. Dear students, all of you copy the question answer in computer note. I give the question answer in PDF file format also, so you can easy to copy the question answers. Then next to homework is activity zone. Page number 11. The first section, puzzle. The 8 clues are given. You can carefully read the clues, then find the answer. Next, you can find the words or mark in the grid. Okay. Then next section, rearrange the jumble words. You can find the words, then write the given places. First, all of you do the homework, then verify the answers. Okay, students, thank you.